The Bargarh Police has intensified the crackdown on illegal cough syrup trade in the district. The police conducted raids at various places in the district and arrested 58 people in connection to the trade, along with 7,800 bottles of cough syrups. Today, the police again arrested three more people. Siddharth Kumar Naik, Purnachandra Behera, Lakshmidhar Meher were arrested today with possession of 8,380 bottles of cough syrup. A team of Bargarh Police had reached Cuttack after getting some lead and raided the warehouse from which the cough syrup was coming to Bargarh district, which led to more than 3 arrests. In addition to this, over Rs 31 lakhs in the account of Max Pharmaceutical Private Limited of Delhi, which supplies cough syrup, has been frozen, while the bank accounts of the other accused have also been monitored, Bargarh SP said.
गत 22 तारीख आमर टाउन थाना रे 528 नंबर केस होता एनडीपीएस रे से केस रे आम पखापाखि 8000 बोतल कप सिरप से केस रे 6500 थिला आउ डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे आउ 6टा केस आउ कराइथिला टोटल 7 केसेज रजिस्टर होइथिला से दिन आउ से सब केसेज रे मिसे कि पखापाखि 8000 बोतल कप सिरप सीज होइथिला आउ 58 लोकन से दिन अरेस्ट कराइथिला सेही केस रे फर्दर जदे बेले हम तदंत करले तो से केस रे जे एक्यूज थी ताकू इंक्वायरी केला बेले जाना पड़ला कि से कोठिरु से आणुथिला तो से केस रे हम गोटे टीम करिके पठाइले सेही थिरु हम टीम काली आउ 8380 कोरेक्स रे बोतल सीज करी छी.
Stay tuned to Orissapost Live to stay updated.